Hi guys, it's Rich Moyer. Just want to tell you a little bit about the new World Profit AI powered website builder. This is part of the AI tools that you see in World Profit. Let's get to the World Profit page here. I'm sorry. Let's see where we are. But when we go to the World Profit page, it's going to be on the AI tools. So let's see if we can get back to the main member area here. So if you look down here under AI tools, it's going to be here, the website builder. This is available to any silver or platinum VIP member, and it's actually pretty cool. It makes life real simple. You simply need to go back to, let's see if I can get to the right page here. Uh, Now here we are. You get to the page and you put your prompt in here. So just exactly what you want to create. I made one here, and that's what I was doing on the other tab here. I made one in a couple minutes. I went back to rework a page that I've had for ages that has run its course. It was a good converting page, but it's been out there for a while, so I updated that with a little different text, and it was quite simple actually. Down here, I put my URL that I was using before, and then up here, I said create me a website that uh, has uh, has these elements, and I just basically pasted the ad copy, the text ad copy that I was using there, and said, base it on this theme with, a quote, and I said, Here's the theme I want it to go on," and then had that all in the prompt section here. Click the hero section, click the features and the footer, and I also told it what the um, HTML form code was that I wanted to use on that page. And then I opened up my um, from here. I went over to website management and I went to the main website home and clicked a new page. And that gave me an open editor, and let's bring that back here, uh, wherever it was. Here. I basically came up to this page. I gave it a category, main category position where I wanted it on the page, gave it a name, and then just simply pasted the source code from what when you generate it, it's going to put the source code over in this area. When you click that, you copy and paste that, create a new page, and come over here uh, to your editor. Again, you can go over here. I have everything kind of categorized. I have all my landing pages in one place. So I come down to the landing pages and edit. When I edited, it brought me over to here, pasted my source code in here, and that's basically what it's going to look like on your editor. And you can go through and make changes here if you like. So if you want to change some of the wording, but don't get excited about what it looks like here because you got to preview it. And when you preview it, this is the page it created, and it took me 5 minutes. 5 minutes to create a whole new web page with all of this great stuff. It had a hero section, had these highlights, came down here and really emphasized it. Then the form code I put in, created this input form that's going to put them into my autoresponder. The neat thing is, all of these orders, like the order now button, it's going to end up down here at the autoresponder entry. Same way here, it's going to end up down here. So it was smart. It was an intelligent way to create a page. It did it in just minutes, literally. And then I grabbed my URL right here and created a shortcut for it. And then that's what I'm using to promote now. So again, this is ways that you can quickly make changes to something that's been out there for quite a while, and maybe it's gone stale. I got to admit, I haven't changed it out for a while, but I put a new page out there, updated the URL, and just went out and promoted basically the same ad copy I've been using. because really what you're trying to do is get them to open this page. You want them to open sign up for the autoresponder, which is going to take them through and explain everything to them and give them opportunities to go buy the ebook. But then on the other hand, you just want them to be on that page so you can communicate with them and tell them the different things going on and how it all works. 5 minutes is all it took, and here we are, 5 minutes I'm explaining to you. The World Profit AI uh, page builder, AI powered wage builder, page builder. Over here, it's created the source, and then down here's the preview. Of course, it's off the screen right now, so I have to actually go. But you can open it right here, and it'll do that. It'll bring it up, or you can preview it once you have the code here. You simply copy it and paste it into a new web page you create on your World Profit website. Thanks a lot, Rich Ware.